In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take handwritten notes in Evernote using your Mac or Windows desktop. As digital tools keep improving, bringing the natural feel of handwriting into a searchable, organized workspace can really elevate your note-taking. Evernote makes this simple by letting you add handwritten sketches directly inside your notes, so you can combine typing, images, and freehand writing in one place. Start by opening Evernote and navigating to a note you want to work with. You can open an existing note or create a new one, whichever fits your purpose. Make sure the note is in edit mode so you're ready to add content. Think of each note as a single page in a digital notebook where everything stays together and is easy to find later. At the top of your note, look for the toolbar. You'll see a plus icon that's used to insert new elements. Click that plus icon and a menu will pop up with several choices. From that list, select Sketch. This opens a dedicated editor where you can draw, write, or scribble directly inside your note without leaving Evernote. Inside the sketch editor, you'll find several tools. The pen gives you clear, bold lines that are great for legible handwriting or precise diagrams. The pencil offers softer, lighter strokes that work well for rough sketches or shading. The highlighter lays translucent color on top of existing content, perfect for emphasizing key ideas, headers, or callouts without covering your writing. You can customize each tool to fit your style, adjust the color to categorize topics or visually separate sections, and tweak line thickness for headers, body text, or fine detail. Color coding ideas, labeling diagrams, or differentiating tasks becomes quick and intuitive when you use a consistent palette. Beyond freehand drawing, you can insert clean shapes like circles, squares, and arrows. These are especially useful for flowcharts, mind maps, and quick diagrams when you want structure without needing perfect hand control. Shapes help keep your notes tidy and easy to scan later. When you're done sketching, your work is placed right into the note, where it saves alongside your typed text and attachments. If you make a mistake, use undo in the sketch editor and don't worry about losing changes. Evernote saves as you go. To recap, open a note, click the plus icon, choose Sketch, and use the pen, pencil, highlighter, colors, and shapes to create clear, organized handwritten content. This approach blends the classic feel of handwriting with modern digital convenience, making your notes more expressive, searchable, and easy to manage.